Dear friends, today we will discuss about how to download PostgreSQL setup. Let us open Google Chrome browser. I am using Google Chrome browser. You can use any browser which is installed on your system. Type www.postgresql.org on the URL section. Then you will get this website. Click on this download button. We will get this page. Here we can see that there is packages and installers. Select your operating system family. We have Linux, Mac OS, Windows, BSD, Solaris. For me, my operating system is Windows. So click on Windows. It will download PostgreSQL setup for Windows operating system. Here you can see download the installer certified by EDB for all supported PostgreSQL versions. Click on this download the installer. It's a link. It will leads to this page. Here you can see all the PostgreSQL version 15.2, 14.7, 13.10, everything is there. Linux, different versions, operating systems 64 and 32, Mac OS, Windows 64, Windows 32. It will list whether it will support this bit. 15.2 will not support Windows 32-bit. 14.7 will not support Windows 32-bit. 13.10 will not support Windows 32-bit. 12.14 will not support 32-bit. 11.19 will not support 32-bit. So let us click on 64-bit. Let us wait. Yeah, it is going to download. Let us wait. Let us check the website. Connecting to PostgreSQL and a documentation, React, Angular, Express, Vue, .NET, Spring, Flask, Django, Laravel. These will help to connect your PostgreSQL database from these framework or libraries while you are developing product. Now, the download is going on. So this is the way we can download PostgreSQL setup from the official website. Thank you.